Imagine a cosmic landscape, undulating blues and swirling stars, with an enormous ring suspended in space. Shimmering with an otherworldly glow, it pulses like a heartbeat, opening a glowing portal at its center. Beyond its ethereal beauty lies a profound mystery of the universe: Einstein-Rosen-bridges, or more popularly known, stable wormholes. These hypothetical constructs are deeply rooted in the equations of general relativity, first dreamed into existence by Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen in 1935. They suggested that these bridges might connect separate points in space and time, offering shortcuts that tantalize the mind with possibilities of interstellar travel and instantaneous communication across light years. Yet, for all their allure, stable wormholes remain firmly cemented in the realm of theoretical physics, an enigma waiting to be unraveled. The primary reason being these constructs demand exotic matter with negative energy density, something not yet observed nor fully understood by our current scientific paradigms. Exotic matter, unlike anything we find in the universe today, must possess properties that defy conventional physics, resisting gravitational collapse that would otherwise cause the wormhole's aperture to collapse within moments of its formation. Enter the realm of simulations, a lab of virtual universes where physicists attempt to draft the blueprint of reality. These simulations have offered a glimpse into the tantalizing nature of wormholes as they manipulate equations and theoretical frameworks to understand the precise conditions necessary for traversable wormholes to exist. While none have conclusively proven the existence or practical creation of such phenomena, they push the boundaries of our understanding, providing a sandbox to test our wildest scientific theories. Nestled on the forefront of such explorations is the California Institute of Technology, where researchers are spearheading investigations into these ghostly passages. They meticulously scrutinize data, formulate groundbreaking theories, and just maybe inch us closer to uncovering whether the whispers of science fiction bear an echo of possibility within our universe. So what does the future hold? Can we, at some point, stand at the very threshold of such a cosmic highway? Only continued inquiry, fueled by curiosity and a relentless pursuit of knowledge, will tell. The enigma of Einstein-Rosen-Bridges serves as a testament to the boundaries waiting to be stretched and the puzzles yet to be solved. As we pause and ponder these cosmic wonders, we invite you to lend your thoughts to the discussion. What would it mean for humanity to harness the power of stable wormholes? Would the potential risks be outweighed by the enormity of the benefits? Share your perspectives in the comments below. And as always, stay curious, keep questioning, and maybe one day we'll step through that portal together.